Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Ethereum debit card on Revolut. It's quite easy. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. You just have to open up the Revolut application. Once you are inside, go to the home page and go to the top right corner to the cards menu. This is where you can see all your debit cards, and this is where you can create a new card as well. So just tap on add new, and this is where you can select the type of card that you want to create, and the last option is going to be the crypto cards. And if you tap on it, you can see that there are 4 options right now. You can create an Ethereum, a Bitcoin, or a Dogecoin card. So this is where you can see the Ethereum one. Just tap on get card for free and you will have your new crypto debit card, virtual card. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.